nice car. This one replace car. Wow. Ah, sorry. Sorry. Hey, bird. Oh, parrot. How do you do it? Who taught you, man? This man don't fall. Don't fall. You need to learn before you start it. Baby, enjoy. Baby was vibing. Yes, nice vibe. Okay, you take it easy so you will not fall. I told you you need to learn before you start it. Oh, look at good baby. Yes, perfect. Okay, okay. How did he do it? Oh my goodness. Look at. Oh baby, how are you? Nice one. Baby is vibing. Okay. Oh, the dog is running. Oh. Okay, take it easy. You are watching. You gotta learn. You got to learn. You got to learn. Okay. Wow. At least you drove. Baby. No. Wow. Why is he doing like this? Oh my goodness. Very black. Everywhere black. Ooh. Ooh, beautiful birds. Oh my goodness. Nice one. Oh, look at this bird that has different colors. Nice one. Hey, change your the color change. How manage? This one use his feather to create a shape for the fish bird. Okay, food is ready. Oh, lovely. Oh my goodness. You are just enjoying with your baby. Wow, red birds. Okay. I love your hairstyle. Oh my, this one has a tail like
No way.
Swallow
No way.
big bone.
No.
Don't swallow big bone. No. This one can use his beak. Oh, beautiful bird with different colors. Wow, nice one. Okay. Wow. Ooh, different style. Give me different style. Okay, the food is ready. Wow. Okay, this is which type of bird is this? That have a long wow, this one. Beautiful colors. Wow. What? Wow. Your face is scary. Wow. I've not seen this bird before. Wow, lovely. Wow. This one has a 360 neck. Ooh, this one look like human hair.